Hi everybody, today is my birthday party and I'm 25 years old.
What is your birthday theme?
Sonic.
Sonic? Just like on your shirt. Let me see your shirt. Cool. What about your necklace? Let me see your necklace. Whoa, that looks super cool. Can you show us all the stuff for your birthday?
This is the piñata.
Let me see your piñata. Whoa! Is the piñata taller than you?
Yep.
The table, this is the balloons.
That's like a balloon.
Cool, that looks super cool. Your plates and your napkins. Everything's Sonic, right? What are we gonna eat?
This is the chips.
And the chips. What are we gonna eat though?
Hot dogs and burgers.
Hot dogs and burgers? Cool. What's over here? All the waters, tea, lemonade, getting the tables ready.
The moon bounce and it's not blown up yet.
What are you most excited about?
The bounce house and the piñata.
Ooh, that's gonna be fun, right? Cool, awesome. And Jeremiah, where's Mia?
She's asleep.
Let's go see her. Where's she at?
Are you ready for your party?
Where's Mia? There's Mia. Are you awake? Are you awake? Are you ready for the party? What are you doing?
Watching TikTok.
Watching TikTok? Is that all you do all day? Yeah? Mia came up with this idea for a prank for Jeremiah for his birthday. He's really been wanting an iPhone or a phone in general. I just got an iPhone 14 and I have the case, the box, and we're gonna prank him and act like he just got a phone for his birthday. This was her idea.
No.
What do you think?
He's probably gonna be like mad.
He's gonna be kind of sad because he's like really been asking for a phone, so.
He's been asking for a phone.
Did you put it in the bag? She put it in a bag for him and everything, so we'll see how he reacts. Jeremiah's been wanting a phone for a long time, okay? And here's a little present for you before everybody gets here. Do you know what it is? Wow! What is it? Is it an iPhone 14? You got a phone?
You got me a phone.
What is it? Let me see your iPhone. Let me see your iPhone. Show me. Show me your iPhone. Did we prank you?
Yeah.